Okay, guys, we can have another video of build. This is where we start off with. That's my daughter Joanne, and that's what we have. It's a big mess right now. If you haven't watched the unboxing video, you can watch that. But that's where we start, and we gotta record this every 5 or 10 minutes to see the progress so far. This is a DJI RoboMaster S1, and this little guy here is we just built this one. This is like a Lego version from a company called what's that company name? Is I don't know. I don't remember the name. But this little guy here can stand on its own. It's an iPad controller. Yeah, see, that's in the box. It's called Me or My Robot Builder. It's a Lego version of it. So it can self balance robot. That's what it is. Okay. So, but it's not as advanced as the DJI one. Okay, the DJI gonna be pretty cool. I like it. So this is where we start off with, and let's see how we're gonna do. So this is the instruction. It's not as clear as the this guy, but this is the instruction for DJI. Okay, that's the beginning. Let's and then how many pages is this?
Go to the end.
25. Okay, let's go all the way to the end. 32 pages. Okay, I think we can finish this whole mess in 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
That's 6 hours to make.
This guy took Joanne 6 hours to build because there are a lot of small pieces, okay? But this one, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. See, it's not that much. Okay, let's get started. And we're gonna check back in a few minutes. We're at the step number, we just finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and we move on to number 5 right here. So this is what step 1 and 2. So this is wheel assembly, and then we're gonna put this piece right here go into the wheels. So far it's still a mess. What's going along at step 5 to 8. We are currently at step number 8. After the 1 to 8, we're at the step number 8 here, and this is what the wheels base look like. We put it in the screw according to the instruction here, and there you go. Okay. Again, almost there. Still a mess, but so far we are doing okay. So we just finished step 1 to 8, and so basically you can assemble the wheels. Okay, they give you this container, black container, so yeah, you can easily assemble the wheels. So after you're done with step 8, you're gonna take this thing out. This is the one of the wheels. Okay, so we're gonna assemble 4 of these. So that is what part of the wheel that we're gonna do. So this one can help guide, assist you on assembly the wheel right there. That's part of the wheel. And you see this piece right here, that kind of go into the wheels. Again, This thing, besides going forward and backward, it can go sideways. It can go sideways. So it slides. See this? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's finish this 4 wheels. Okay, we finally finished the 4th wheel. And here we go. This is 3 other wheels here. The assembly here. Take it out. And there we go. So we can once we finish the 4 wheels, Joanne is start building out the body, assembling the body. And we are, what step we on? We are on step.
Wait, no, not that one.
17. Okay, this is after about 30 minutes. We finished 4 wheels. Yeah, good job. I think we can finish in 2 hours, right, Joey?
Yeah.
Right, Joanne?
So annoying.
Hey, still a mess. Well, we get it. We get it. Okay, after 45 minutes, about 45 minutes, we at step 23. We have assembled the wheels, and we partially assemble the body. Take a look here. So I think this is the controller going here. Let's see. Take a look at this is the back, the sides, and the top. So far so good. So the next step is Joanne assembly the side panel that will go on the side here. They have a sensor. When it get hit, it will light up. Okay. So the side contain one of these sensors here. So far, still have about a little bit halfway. Okay, we're at step number 37, assembling the motors, and this is what it looked like before we put it on. And here we just finished the wheels and the body. We have attached the side sensor and connecting the cable. This is the back sensor, another side sensor, top down. So I will look in the back. Okay, Joey assembly the motors. Have you screwed it in already, Joey?
Yes.
All 3?
Yes.
No, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now this one's not yet. Gotta do 3. Okay. Okay, we're almost there. This is like about an hour, a little bit over an hour already. So it's looking good. Okay, we just put in the wheels to the body. There you go. And on the bottom. Okay, almost done. Okay, we just actually put on the wheels itself. Earlier we was putting on the motors, Now it's the wheels on. It look good. It look pretty cool now. Let's see the front of the wheels. The front of the car, I mean. Okay. Now we're putting in the gun assembly. And step number is 59. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Okay, go ahead, Joey. We're putting in the screw. And the gun is in. Look pretty cool here. Okay, the top piece, this top piece right here just being put on, and also the camera is just attached to the gun. And if you notice here on the top, there is a slot for the SD card here. So I think that's for capturing videos. Okay, and that is the step here. Getting very close. Okay, let's take a final look before we put everything here. Basically, at this point, is pretty much complete. So, take a look at the wiring. So all the wires are connected in the back here. And to the front, let's take a look on the bottom. So after that, we're gonna put in the battery, the cover, and let's be done. And we can have a test run. And we're in the last few steps. And finally, it's done. Now this piece gonna go in here. This is where we load the beads or the tiny balls that go in here according to the instructions. And then once we load it in, unlock it, and then we're gonna push it in. Oh, that's hard to do it. And use it. And there you go. this is where we put the battery in. There's a release button here. Oh, this is the front. Sorry. This is the front, and this is the back. So we put the battery here. So the battery is charging right now. So after this, we're gonna have a test run.